to attend these programs, and even this program has been prompted by that focus and that thought process that we had. And yes, it started with my time when I was a member of parliament for about a year and a half, and I had made a visit, and along with Vicky and other members of parliament, and it was a huge learning experience for me to really be open up to the entire work culture, the development aspect, the opportunities that our two nations share. And
we've been able to grow our relationship not only with Japan but in the region and with other.
Aware, of course, that we'll be collaborating with the Japan embassy even last time for the cherry blossom. And
I'm sorry that I missed it.
yeah, but
I haven't yet presented my credentials to the President of India, so I couldn't make it. I was not allowed to.
Okay,
Yes.
absolutely, absolutely.
Next time, of course.
Yeah, in fact, we had a very big, arena for the Japanese, section. So basically, in fact, I had gone to drop our nurses.
Oh yes,
there.
yes. I watched the video.
Yes. So that was the first. But after that, many more have gone, and we have many more lined up. So we're finding it quite good. And all the stalls were there. Music was going on.
Yes.
And then there was another very large area where only the Japanese stores were there. So we had everything. We had about, I think, 25 or 30 stalls that included like clothes, food,